Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, the juice of 1 lime, 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. For a little kick, add 1 small jalapeno, minced, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. These fresh components are key to a vibrant, delicious guacamole. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocados. Take 3 ripe avocados, cut them in half, and carefully remove the large pit from each. Scoop the vibrant green flesh into a medium bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado. Remember, we're aiming for a chunky texture, not a completely smooth paste, so leave some small pieces intact for a more satisfying bite. Next, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Add your finely diced red onion, the minced jalapeno for a touch of heat, and the fresh chopped cilantro to the mashed avocado. Squeeze in the juice from 1 fresh lime. This not only adds a zesty tang, but also helps prevent browning. Finally, sprinkle in about a ½ teaspoon of salt. Gently fold everything together until it's perfectly combined. Your homemade guacamole is almost ready. Before serving, give it a quick taste test. Adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or a squeeze of lime juice to suit your palate. Transfer your vibrant, fresh guacamole to a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of extra cilantro or a thin lime wedge. Serve immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or fresh vegetable sticks and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.